Good morning, students. So in last video we saw six honest serving men, and hope you have completed all the question answers and learned them also. In last video we saw the six questions, means the names of six honest serving men. That was what, why, when, how, where, and how and who. So these are the names of six honest serving men, and that was the poem. And the poem was all about one six honest serving men and their owner. Okay, so in this video we are going to see our next chapter, that it's only a matter of practice. It's only a matter of practice. In this whole line you can see here, practice is the word which is similar to us. Before gathering or before our annual function or before our sports, before anything, we do practice. मीन्स हम उसकी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. मीन्स वही उसी चीज़ को बार बार करने से उसकी प्रैक्टिस हो जाती है. मीन्स जब वो चीज़ हमको एक्चुअल में करनी होगी या किसी के सामने हमको उसको शो करना होगा, तब वो हम परफेक्शन के साथ कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ प्रैक्टिस. इट्स ओनली ए मैटर ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. मीन्स प्रैक्टिस से ही सब कुछ पॉसिबल है. You have heard that line, practice makes a man perfect. Means प्रैक्टिस से एक इंसान परफेक्ट बन जाता है. तो किसी भी चीज़ की प्रैक्टिस करने से वो इजीली हमको करने आ जाती है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आवर स्टोरी नाउ. लॉन्ग लॉन्ग एगो इन फार अवे चाइना. हियर लॉन्ग लॉन्ग एगो इन फार अवे चाइना मीन्स बहुत पहले चाइना में देयर लिव्ड an archer called Chin Yozi. There was an archer called Chin Yozi. Archer means, here you can see in this picture, there is one man who is holding a bow in his hand. Bow means धनुष है ना इसके हाथ में, और ये चाइनीज आदमी है. because you can see in this picture, the man is a Chinese man and he is holding a bow in his hand. So his name is Chin Yozi and he was a fine archer. He was an archer called Chin Yozi. Means इसका नाम क्या है? Chin Yozi. और एक वो archer है, means धनुष चलाने वाला जो रहता है, धनुधारी, वो archer है. मीन्स जो धनुष चलाता है उसमें एक्सपर्ट होता है वो. ही वॉज अ वेरी स्किल्ड आर्चर and could perform wonderful feats of archery. Means वो जो आर्चर था वो बहुत स्किल्ड था. He was very skilled archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. Means achievements. He was having wonderful achievements in archery. Means he was very good, very fine, very wonderful archer itself, and he was having very much feats. Means here achievements. He was having very much achievements in archery itself. Means he was expert in archery, we can say. He could hit the target precisely at the center even when it was placed at a very long distance. Means he could hit the target precisely, means perfectly. Here precisely means exactly, perfectly. He could hit the target. Even the center was placed at very long distance. मीन्स कितनी भी दूरी पे वो जो उसका निशाना हो तो भी वो परफेक्टली सेंटर पे अपना बो और एरो से उसको प्लेस करता था. ही लाइक टू शो ऑफ हिज स्किल टू the admiring crowds that gathered around him. मीन्स उसको देखने के लिए जो भी लोग जमा होते थे, उसके एडमायरिंग क्राउड्स मीन्स उसको पसंद करने वाले या फिर उसके देखने आने वाले वो जो लोग होते थे, उस चिन योजी को अपना जो टैलेंट था वो शो करना बहुत पसंद था. शो ऑफ करना मीन्स some people are show offing their dancing skills and some people are show offing their सिंगिंग स्किल्स मीन्स जिसके पास जो भी स्किल्स होती है वो उसका शो ऑफ करता है, मीन्स सबके सामने दिखाता है। तो वैसे ही उसको भी पसंद था कि क्राउड में जो एडमायरिंग पीपल जो उसको देखने आते थे, गैदर्ड होते थे, जमा होते थे, उन लोगों को अपनी स्किल्स दिखाना चिन्योजी को बहुत पसंद था। वन डे ही वॉज प्रैक्टिसिंग हिज स्किल्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ मैनी एडमायरर्स when he noticed an old man standing at the back. The man was carrying gouts of oil that were hanging from a long cane on his shoulder. One day, what happened? Chinyoji was practicing the archery in front of the admirers. Okay, and he noticed a man is standing behind him at the back, and he was carrying crowds of oil. Grouts of oil. Grouts means here container made from dried large fruit with hard skin. Here dried large fruit with hard skin means the coconut. The container made up of coconut in which oil is stored. Means उस कोकोनट से बने हुए कंटेनर के अंदर एक ओल्ड मैन ने ऑयल रखा हुआ था और वो चिन्योजी के पीछे खड़ा हुआ था। तो चिन्योजी नोटिस्ड हिम। देन the gouts of oil that were hanging from the long cane on his shoulder. The old man was carrying gouts of oil on his shoulder. All other people were clapping their hands and praising Chinyozi. All the admirers were clapping and praising means they were encouraging Chinyozi because of his archery skill. But this old man was quiet. He was quiet and standing alone in the back. He neither clapped nor uttered a word of praise. Means he was not praising Chinyozi. He was not encouraging Chinyozi. He was not clapping for him, or he was not saying even a word, uttered words of praise. Means he was not saying any words of praising or encouragement for Chinyozi. He just stood there nodding his head. Means he was just moving his head, nodding his head, and said, "It's just a matter of practice." What the old man was saying, it's just a matter of practice. Means ये तो सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस से कर पा रहा है ऐसा। ये कौन कह रहा है? वो ओल्ड मैन. दिस ओल्ड मैन इज सेइंग दैट ओनली ही इज सेइंग. ऑल द अदर पीपल वेर क्लैपिंग, वेर encouraging, were praising Chinyozi, but this old man was not praising Chinyozi, not saying, uttering even a single word of encouragement or praising. The old man was only stood there and nodding his head, and what is saying that it's just a matter of practice. Chinyozi was annoyed, means now Chinyozi got angry, very much angry, because all the people were admiring him, were encouraging, were praising him because of his archery skill. And when one person gets encouragement from all the people and all the admirers around him, he gets very proud of his skills, and sometimes he became very annoying for himself only. मीन्स लोग सोचते हैं कि मेरे पास ये स्किल है तो मेरे जैसा कोई है ही नहीं, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता. तो चिन्योजी ऐसा ये सोच के कि सारे लोग मेरे लिए क्लैप कर रहे हैं, सब मेरे लिए प्रेज कर रहे हैं, सब मुझे इनकरेज कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये ओल्ड मैन मेरे लिए कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा, बस बोल रहा है इट्स ओनली अ मैटर ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. तो वो गुस्सा हो गया. चिन्योजी वॉज अनॉयड. आर यू एन आर्चर योर सेल्फ? नाउ चिन्योजी इज आस्किंग टू द ओल्ड मैन, an old man, that are you an archer yourself? आप आर्चर हो क्या? Do you think anyone can do what I can do with my bow and arrows? Means do you know anyone? Means आप अगर खुद आर्चर नहीं हो तो क्या आपको कोई पता है कि जो मेरे जैसा बो और एरोज से आर्चरी कर सकता है, मीन्स मेरे जैसे तीर चला सकता है? No sir, the old man replied. What the old man replied? No sir, he said, no sir, I am not an archer and I don't doubt your skills. Means मैं एक आर्चर नहीं हूँ, और मुझे आपकी स्किल्स पे कोई डाउट भी नहीं है. ऑल आई सेड वॉज एवरीथिंग्स अ मैटर ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. मीन्स जो भी, कोई भी जो कुछ भी कर पाता है वो किस लिए, किसकी वजह से, प्रैक्टिस की वजह से. Chinyozi became very angry. Again, Chinyozi became very angry. What do you know that you pass such thoughtless comments on the other people? Who are you? Means, what do you think of yourself? मीन्स तू अपने आप को क्या समझता है जो दूसरों के लिए तो ऐसे थॉटलेस कमेंट्स मीन्स बिना सोचे समझे तो दूसरों को ऐसे कमेंट्स कैसे पास कर सकता है. हु आर यू? ही इज आस्किंग टू दैन ही आस्किंग टू Chinyozi is asking to an old man, who are you? Please don't get angry, sir. Now old man is replying to Chinyozi, please don't get angry, sir. I am an oil seller, as you must have guessed from the crowds. मीन्स आपको दिख ही रहा होगा मेरी शोल्डर पे ग्राउड्स ऑफ ऑयल है, तो आपको पता ही चल गया होगा कि मैं ऑयल सेलर हूँ. एवरी डे आई फिल दीज ग्राउड्स विथ oil and sell them. Means what the oil seller does, he fills the grouts with oil and starts selling them. This was the work of the oil seller. Over the years I have achieved some skills in filling the grouts. Means itne saalon se the old man, now he is doing his work from many years, so he is skilled and he is experienced in his work, because every day is doing that work, every day doing something, that is the practice. Means doing something every day, that is known as practice. So the Chinyozi is doing practice of archery, the old man is doing practicing of filling the grouts with oil. Now if you allow, I'll show it to you. मीन्स जैसे आप किसी चीज़ की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, जैसे आप आर्चरी की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, तो मैं भी किसी चीज़ की प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ. मीन्स किसकी? ग्राउड्स को ऑयल से फिल करने की. तो अगर आप अलाउ करेंगे तो आई विल शो इट टू यू. नाउ चिन्योजी सेज ग्रोल्ड. चिन्योजी मीन्स चिन्योजी ग्रोल्ड. वो थोड़ा सा ऐसे करके बोला कि ठीक है. Everybody was curious to see what would happen next. Means everybody, the gathered people around him, the Chinyozi, where everyone was curious. Means सब लोग ऐसे जिज्ञासु हो गए थे. मीन्स सब लोग ऐसे एक्साइटेड हो गए थे कि आगे क्या होगा. चिन्योजी उसकी जो भी स्किल्स थी वो देखने के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड, क्यूरियस थे, और बाकी सब भी क्यूरियस थे कि ऐसा क्या करने वाला है वो ओल्ड मैन. सो आप लोग भी क्यूरियस रहिए. हम लोग ओल्ड मैन क्या करेगा वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे. थैंक यू.